Hello everyone, welcome to Trendy Touches. In this video, we will discuss wall clock design ideas. Clocks are an item that every house needs. They help people keep track of time. They serve as a reminder that time is limited, but it's still something to be tired. They even act as decorations and souvenirs in the house or office. Wall clocks serve both functional and decorative purposes, providing a practical way to keep track of time while also adding aesthetic value to interior spaces. Additionally, wall clocks can help create a sense of rhythm and structure in daily activities, aiding in time management and organization. Here are some wall clock design ideas. First one is minimalist modern, a sleek clock with clean lines and no numbers for a contemporary look. Vintage charm, a clock with a distressed finish and Roman numerals for a rustic feel. Geometric shapes, a clock made up of various geometric shapes for a modern touch. Nature inspired, a clock with a wooden frame and leaf motifs for a natural vibe. Industrial style, a metal clock with exposed gears for an industrial look. Marble elegance, a clock with a marble pattern for a touch of luxury. Sunburst design, a clock with radiating spokes like a sunburst for a retro feel. Botanical beauty, a clock with botanical illustrations for a fresh and lively design. World map, a clock featuring a world map design for a traveler's aesthetic. Whimsical wonderland, a clock with playful shapes and colors for a whimsical look. Nautical theme, a clock with a ship wheel or anchor design for a coastal feel. Black and white contrast, a color with a bold black frame and white face for a striking design. Starry night, a clock with a celestial theme featuring stars and moons for a dreamy ambience. Music lovers' delight, a clock with musical notes or instruments for the music enthusiast. Glow in the dark, a clock with luminescent hands for a cool nighttime effect. Steampunk style, a clock with intricate gears and cogs for a steampunk aesthetic. Upcycle tires, a clock made from repurposed materials for a sustainable design. Pop of color, a clock in a bright, eye-catching hue to add a vibrant touch to the room. Mirror mirror, a clock with a mirrored surface for a touch of glamour and reflection. Personalized photo, a clock featuring your own photos or artwork for a truly unique design. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.